Hello mga kabahay, this is Queen again. Sa video na to, makikita nyo ang actual turnover ng magiging bahay sa 3-lane residences. It's a new project po dito sa Bocandala 1, Imus, Cavite. So this is a 3-story house. Bali 3 palapag po siya. May provision na for 1 car park sa harap ng bahay. Semi-complete po ang turnover nito. And as you can see sa harap, meron tayong isang window. If this is an inner unit ha, so meron tayong isang window sa harap, which is a sliding window na may aluminum frame. Ang ating pintuan dito is a steel door. And as you enter the house po, meron tayo ditong living area, the dining area, and also the kitchen area. Semi-complete po siya kasi naka-paint na po yung wall natin. May first coating of paint na pero wala tayong tiles pa sa turnover. And also wala siyang mga room partitions. So may 3 toilet and bath itong bahay na to. Isang toilet and bath bawat floor. So ang ating kitchen area, ang turnover po is plain cement lang yung lababo with stainless na lababo. And for the toilet and bath naman, ganito po siya. Ito yung actual turnover. Bare talaga siya. Wala siyang tiles sa wall, wala siyang paint, pero may mga bathroom fixtures na nakasama. Itong kagandahan nito kasi advantage naman sa inyong mga buyers kasi pwede nyo i-design kung ano man magustuhan yung gawin sa toilet and bath ninyo. Now, here's the service area. So, sa may ground floor, the service area, half of it is closed. May bakod na siya. So, ganito kataas ang ating service area na pwede nyo pang ipasara para maging, pwede nyo i-extend yung kung ano pang gusto nyo ilagay sa may service area. Pwede nyo gawing, or pwede nyo rin gawing parang balcony sa likod para sampayan. So, ito yung kabuuan ng ating ground floor. By the way, this house po ay may 94 square meters for the floor area. And then the minimum lot area naman is 50 square meters. Okay, so akitin naman natin yung second floor. Ang kagandahan dito guys, tingnan nyo kasi yung hagdan, close na siya. No? So, sementado na. So, wala na kayong problemahin para ipasara pa ito. Ang pagpagandahin nyo na lang. So as I mentioned earlier, no, ang ating second floor ay wala ding room partitions, wala ding tiles. So pero may painted na yung wall. Tapos meron din tayong 2 windows sa harap. And then of course, since this is an inner unit, ang isa pa nating window ay nasa likod banda na. So ang handrails for the stairs po is made of bakal na din. So, since this is an inner unit po, no, ganito siya kalaki sa second floor. And actually, provisions for 3 bedrooms pa ito. But of course, we want our house to be spacious, you know. So, pwede nyo lagyan ng 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms. It's up to you guys. Ito yung advantage if wala pang room partitions. You can design your house whatever you want it to be. Ating second toilet and bath sa second floor. Same din. Bare ang turnover, walang tiles, walang paint, but complete with fixtures naman. Tingnan nyo guys ang ating second floor. Pag inikot mo, napakalapad pa siya. Okay, so let's go to the third floor. And the same din, ang stairs, close na rin, papuntang third floor. Kayo na lang mag-design para mas maganda tingnan. So, same with the second floor, ang ating third floor din ay wala ding tiles and wala pa ring room partitions. It's an advantage actually para sa inyong mga home buyers because you have an option to design kung ilang rooms ang ilalagay nyo dito sa third floor and sa second floor. Now, if you're a big family, pwede nyo gawin tong 3 bedrooms and then 2 dun sa baba, or di kaya pwede nyo ring gawing 2 rooms lang sa taas and 2 rooms lang sa second floor. Tapos may isa lang kayong space na pwede nyo gawing entertainment area. For every floor, makikita naman natin na may mga nakaabang na ring mga outlets para sa ating mga appliances. And ang kagandahan dito sa third floor ay may ceiling na, no? Hindi siya yung tipong ah, yero lang. So may ceiling na talaga. Now, ang ating third toilet and bath dito sa third floor is the same. Bare lang din ang turnover pero may ceiling na sa taas and complete with fixtures na rin. By the way, guys, regarding the financing naman, no, we can avail this house through Pag-ibig Financing. And as of this recording, July 2023, ang price po natin dito starts at 3.6 M. And the loanable amount is nasa around 3.3 million. So, pero ang kagandahan is the reservation is only 5,000 para makakuha kayo or makapagpa-reserve kayo ng bahay. And then, 2 years po yung down payment, which is only around 9,500 monthly lang. And the monthly amortization naman sa Pag-ibig for 30 years to pay is nasa around 21,000 pesos plus. And the income requirements for that is nasa around 60,000 to 61,000 pesos. This is an a combined household income. So, if hindi kaya ng sweldo ng isang home buyer, pwede naman maghanap ng co-borrower. This is a 4 hectares project na ang mga units dito na itatayo is only 504 units. So, very low density ang community nito. So mga kabahay, let's take advantage of the pre-selling status of this subdivision kasi ang price ng house is still on its introductory price. While reservation mga kabahay is only 5,000 pesos. So, and the initial requirements to reserve are the following: 1 month payslip, 2 valid government IDs, proof of billing, and then ESAB. Ang ESAB is a copy of your contribution. So, pwede nyo makuha yan in any branch of Pag-ibig offices. By the way, mga kabahay, mention ko na rin na this house is also available in Tansa, Cavite. So, kung gusto nyo part na yon, gusto nyo tumira sa part na yon, meron po tayong ganito. And it's also a walking distance from the main Antero Soriano Highway. Okay? So, napakalapit din sa mga major establishments in Tansa, Cavite. Price is only a bit lower lang dito as compared dito sa Imus. So, ayan mga kabahay, let's not wait for this project to be sold out. Mag-reserve na tayo. Konti na lang mga bahay dito sa Imus, Cavite na very affordable and very accessible para sa mga taong nag-work sa Metro Manila. Okay? So, let me know on the comment section if you want to know more about the details of this house. Okay? And how to avail this. And if you have enough budget naman na makaya naman yung monthly amortization, go for the end unit or corner unit habang meron pa tayong mga inventories for that. Ipapakita ko sa inyo dito sa dulo na part ang advantage of having an end unit kasi hindi lang yung bintana niya na nasa harap at nasa likod, but also you will have a windows as well dito sa gilid ng house. So ito po yun mga guys. Ayan. Tingnan nyo if it is an end unit. Yan. Meron pa kayong windows dito sa gilid. And also, if it is an end unit or corner lot, meron kayong extra space na pwede pang magamit sa gilid ninyo. Katulad ditong nasa video, nasa corner lot siya. Alright? Okay, so that's it for our 3-lane residences. And if you want to know more about this again, don't hesitate to drop me a message in the comment section or direct message me. Again, this is Queen. Thank you so much for watching.